Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm here at Lake Brophy again. They're redoing this parking lot, so it's like hard to get back here. And the map has not changed at all. So I don't know where all these new jumps are. This is a two-way green trail. I've only been here once, so I'm so confused right now. I want to know where all this new stuff is, but it's like, where the heck is all this new stuff? This guy knows anything. So, where's all the new stuff here?
Keep going, way over there. You gotta, to get there though, you can't really go.
Okay, this is the end of it. So they redid this whole thing.
They redid all this, plus they did a new track here. They get the music. They redid all this, and then they put a playground. Have you seen the playground?
No, you can't get in over here, and I'm so confused.
Right.
I'm here tomorrow too, so.
So everything starts basically up on the top of the hill right here, and the only way to get there is go right back here.
Okay, so follow the green up to the top.
That. Yep, get up to
Yeah,
there.
I wanted to make a quick run through, and I'm thinking about going.
Just checking it out. Yep.
Yeah. Well, here's my corny map of Lake Brophy, so you can understand a few things. North, I would have to tilt it like this. So this is actually northwest. You come in on what's on Highway 27 out of Alexandria. It's about 5-6 miles. Actually, it's a little less than that. I think it's about 4 or 5. On 82 Viking, and you turn on Brophy Landing, and then you go up that to the beach. And this is new. This is not on Google Map. So you can park right here and go up here across the paved path and up into the trails. This is the main entrance. This is the paved bike path right here, by the way. So you can take this from downtown if you want. Like I said, if you want to take a whatever mile ride. This is closed off. They're actually working on this. And hopefully it'll be done by the time my video is done, but I don't know. That's why I'm doing this. If you go completely north, Centennial Drive, and there's a little parking lot. This is actually on Google. This is on Trail Forks, this part right here. So you can find this. This is the other lot. It's only about 5-6 cars, but that's what I would recommend. So there is a little parking lot right here. Okay. Well, they got some nice wooden features. I don't know what direction is what here. I'm gonna follow these guys, at least for a little while. Wow. This is pretty cool. There's a little guy ahead of me. Come on, you can do it. Can I do it? That's the real question. Holy cow!
They're perfect.
Wow. This place is heaven. I don't know which line to take.
The easiest one to go right here, take this one.
The blue?
Yeah, that's
I'm looking at that jump thinking I can clear that.
okay, it's going to do that one. You're going to do the one on the right. And right over there, see where these two whoop-de-doos are? The second whoop-de-doo, stay right. You got to clear that's easy. The next one you got to clear over the top of them.
Well, I'm probably just going to clear this and then...
So that one just drops right in, that platform. But the next one is behind the tree. You got to go up and then land that.
How do you get back up on the top?
You go down to the bottom, see where that big bank is. You turn up and you right up on the side that.
Okay, or walk up.
Or walk.
Here is my first run. Oh yeah! Hey, that was tabletop number. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Wow! Woo! I get there! Wow! Oh! Wow! This place is awesome. I wasn't even trying when I was getting there. Wow. So I'm not doing very well. I'm really stiff. But this is one of the new drops. Ooh. There's so many lines in here, it's just crazy. There's probably a dozen tables right here. I'm gonna do the drop line, I'm probably gonna roll it. So this is a big drop line here. So I'm not sure how I feel about this. Yeah, I'm not feeling very comfortable on drops right now. I'm just gonna roll this. Okay, now I have to take a break. It is like so freaking windy right now. I think I'm gonna be the only one here. I'm gonna try and roll into this thing just to see how I feel about it. Wow, that is a curve. Okay, so there's like a jump right there. Oh, that's a step up. Death. Okay. Yeah, that wind's not doing any good. I could probably take these. Wow. Okay, so that's a sideways barfer roll compressor. Yeah, it's just a little too windy. But I'm gonna try this green trail going out and see how I feel on this. There's supposed to be some tables on this, so, and this will take me back to the car. I cased that one, but that's okay. First run. Oh, that is not a table. That's a gap. Yeah, wind's blowing right at me. That's more of a step up. Okay, so here is where you would turn right and go back through the bike park, or you could go forward, which is what I did, and go back to the other trails and back to my car to move my car after rolling through and hit this area yet again. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed this first run. Second time I cleared all the tables. I want to come back and hit them again, but I gotta go back to the car. And oh, there's a rock drop. Nice. That's a pretty severe looking ding dong. Maximum air, I don't even know if I'm going to do that this time. We'll see. I am going to take it easy probably for the rest of the day. Unless I come back, my friend. So they're building all these traffic circles everywhere for cars, but this is a traffic circle for bikes. You just go round and 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 round, and you're like, stop being weird. No, absolutely not. So this is the harder one. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. There's stairs on the other side of this. Oh, I totally dropped them. Totally dropped them. After a very quick roll through the skills, I decided to explore and see if I could find the other old trails on the top of the hill. Wow, so these trails, they go dual all the way down. And I can see the bottom tabletop. So I don't know how I'm going to do on this. I'm actually in a pretty good gear right now. Whoa, I don't know what to expect. Other than, okay, so there's a drop that I probably wouldn't take it normally. Unnormally. Whoa! I bobtailed that one. Didn't quite clear it. Oh, this is fun. This is super sweet. Thank you.
kind of looking to see what we got going here. I think I cleared that one, but it's pretty lazily. The wind's blowing right at me. So. Oh, not very good. Not very good, not very good, not very good. I totally over-cleared that. Alrighty then. It's nice when there's other people here watching you.
I returned to the bike park shortly after and began rolling things harder and going faster, building up my confidence.
You know, that wind is just sucky. Oh yeah, piece of cake. These berms are just magical. Magical kingdom. All right, I'm gonna go. Oh, go ahead. Yeah. Wow! Ah! Don't do that unless you've had experience. Off the left side there. No, that's scary.
Day 1 ended all too quickly with me hitting the drop and a brief ride with some others. I tried to work up to the black jumps, but today with the wind and my physical condition, I decided to return in the morning to the area one last time to see if I could do anything more.
Oh, so close. I'm casing it. Hardcore. That one's a little scary. Yeah, I'm casing them. I'm just not getting the speed. This one is really goofy. Yeah, tomorrow maybe.